This is a fun and easy repair that just takes a Phillips head screwdriver and a zip tie and should only take you 10 to 15 minutes to finish. Here are a few comments from people who have rented the video and fixed their machine in just a few minutes. This video rents for only 99 cents for 3 days and will definitely get your machine going again.